What's up, everybody? It's been a long time since I've done a video, and I'm not sure how this lighting looks. In my view, it looks like you all are about to have a seizure, so let me check it out real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, I think we got the lighting down right. Yeah, it looks good. All right, so let's get started. What I wanted to share with you guys today was something that Ernst Manufacturing sent to me. Pretty cool of them to send me out a package full of a lot of good stuff. So I want to share that with you all today. And let's get started on this stuff because you're going to want to check this out. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Ernst Manufacturing. Ernst Manufacturing is a organization type of company to help technicians out and help better organize your tools, make you more productive. And they were kind enough to send me out a package full of a lot of good stuff, so I'm going to share that with you all today. And we'll jump right in. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing we got here is a organization tray. I hope I said that right. Organization, that's a hard word to say. Anyways, this is a tray. You could use this for pretty much anything you want. I plan on maybe putting my ratchets in here. I'm not sure yet, but check out the color. They just released this orange color. And I wish I was special enough to say that they did this just for me, but I'm sure they're way ahead of the game coming out with these. But I feel like I was one of the very first few people to receive these. Maybe I'm wrong. I just want to feel special right now. But anyways, these are 100% made in the USA. This is a 10.5 by 10.5, and this is a 3-compartment tray. Not sure what the part number is on this exactly, but there is a barcode. I'm sure you guys can figure this out. You guys can always check out their website, and I'm sure you'll find it on there. But very sturdy plastic. I'm sure it's chemical resistant, and I believe it's ABS plastic, so I'm pretty sure it's pretty resistant to a lot of automotive fluids. We will find out over time, but I do plan on trying to keep this clean as much as possible. And yeah, like I said, I don't know what I'm going to use this for, but I'm sure we'll figure out something. All right, so the next thing we got is low-profile wrench rails. Again, 100% made in the USA. There's their website right there. It is ernstmfg.com, where you can pretty much find all these products on there. A little bit about the product. These are no-slip, low-profile wrench rails. And you could pretty much assort these any way you want. And they will fit in the shallowest of drawers, which we will find out here soon. But there's the part number, 6050. And let's open this up and check it out further. All right, so these are a lot more flexible than I had expected, which is pretty cool. I also forgot to mention that these do carry a full lifetime warranty. So, I mean, if you could break this, I'd be surprised, but just peace of mind, I guess, in case something ever does go wrong with it. I can't really describe this type of material here. It's almost like a plastic rubber mix. Very interesting. So let's check it out. Let's see what I got here. My wrench drawer here. I'm still kind of figuring stuff out here, obviously, but this I picked up at Harbor Freight. I haven't even used it yet. and I don't think I will now that I got this, so can make some room in the drawer. Let's test it out on those Ulsa wrenches, the ratcheting wrenches, and let's see what it looks like. Alright, so there you can see everything is lined up and in its resting position. Sits down pretty low. Give you a little side profile view right here. Did run into one problem. Let me show you what it is right here. Alright, so depending on your box, every box is different. In this case, this is a Husky box, and the depth of the drawers is not very deep at all, and these things are pretty long. So to sit them in the forward position, like facing you like this, it doesn't fit. So just a little FYI, if you are in a Husky box and you purchase these, they will not fit. I'll have to check the website and see if they do make shorter versions of these. This holds 8mm up to 22mm. I have up to 19 right here, but up to 22mm. So if they have one that's just up to 19, that should fit no problem, but up to 22, and depending on your box depth, you may want to take that information into consideration. Nonetheless, I mean, at my work, my Snap-on box there definitely has the depth, and I could use it there, which I probably will do, and use the Harbor Freight ones here. So I'll probably take these ones to work with me. But just a little food for thought on that. Keep in mind what kind of box you have. And as far as clearance is concerned, I know I should measure this, but I can't find my tape measure anywhere. But just for reference, this is sitting flat, and you'll see behind there is a set of Wobble Sonex 3/8 drive sockets standing up without any pegs or anything, just standing up on their own, and they are far above the height of these things resting. So they definitely do live up to the name of low profile wrench racks. So definitely, if you do need the space or have a drawer that you could utilize these with, I would highly recommend these. Alright, this next product is called the Bit Boss. I mean, the name itself just sounds badass. Bit Boss. Part number on this is 5710. This is definitely a unique product. This is made for holding, as you can see, all your bit pieces and your extensions, your adapters, everything pretty much all in one location in some little tray. I think that's pretty cool. I've never seen anybody else with that type of product out there. So when I saw this, I definitely wanted to give this a try. So let's open it up and check it out further. What's pretty cool about their products is they're fully customizable. So if you don't like this layout and you want, let's say you have more bits than this here and you want this whole block to be just bits, you could simply unlock it, pull this out, and replace it with whatever you want your setup to be. I think that's pretty cool. And to put it back in, just locks in place and doesn't go anywhere. So what I have in this drawer here is a box of just random bits that I have, and let's put them together and see how they look inside. there you see it in time-lapse form. 90 bits all snugged up in there. And the way they go in, it's almost like a tapered fit. So as you press in, it gets a little tighter and then squeezes it in there. So yeah, and there is 3 different holes for 3/8 size bits. You have one right here, one right here, and one right here. I don't have any of those 3/8 drive bits, but the normal 1/4" bits still fit in there and keep snug, and they don't come out. I'm shaking it. So they're snug in there and they're not going to go anywhere, and simply just grab and use. So love this thing already. I probably am going to get another one. And let's put it in the drawer where it goes. Sorry for the other mess, but look at that. It's looking cleaner already. Oh, it looks good. I like that. Definitely a unique product. The Bit Boss. What a gangster name, the Bit Boss. Not to be confused with the Pit Boss, aka Alex, the Hot Wheel dude. Put a link down here. Let's move on to the next one. All right, and last but definitely not least is the Socket Boss, the big one. This is 3-row, 1/2" drive, 3/8 drive, and 1/4" drive in orange, just for me. Just kidding. But part number 8482, and holds up to 57 sockets. So that is a lot of sockets for one tray. And what's unique about this is you could customize this as well. Not sure if you could see here on the back, but they do make different attachments where you could actually hold ratchets or extensions. And same way as the Bit Boss, push to unlock, remove a rail, fill it in with another different type if you want to customize it. Lifetime guarantee, and made in the USA. I mean, what more could you ask for, really? Quality US product. So let's check this. All right, so like I mentioned before, push to unlock, slide the rail back, lift the rail out. If you're doing a certain job or project and you only need this 1/4 drive sockets, you could just take the whole rail out, take it to where you're going, do your job, do your work, whatever, bring it back to the toolbox, and just push it back in. And if I can get this in, there we go. Lock it in, just like that. And another good feature that I like, they do include the stickers. So if you want to label your sockets, they give you the book here to do so. Everything from metric, SAE, it looks like Torx. You got T7 all the way up to T50, T47. Yeah, T47. Tons of them. Tons of them. Sheets on sheets on sheets. So, pretty much, yeah, if you have it, they got it. Or vice versa. They probably have more stuff on here that I don't even have. So, definitely good to keep around. If you don't plan on using these, definitely don't throw them away. Keep them. You never know when you're going to use them. So, I'm going to put this aside because I don't know how I'm going to set this up right now. But, yeah, put the reel back in, push it in, locked in place. Another good feature about these, it's not a typical square peg. So, let's see. These square pegs with ball detent on them, not sure how well you guys can see that in the camera. These are like traditional style. You'll see these a lot. Nothing wrong with these. I do like them. They work fine. They do hold the socket in place, but this is a super unique design. So if you could see here, it's almost like an octagon, and you're gonna put the socket in at like kind of like an angle, twist it, and it locks in place just like that. And it's not going anywhere. See, it's on there, and simply just twist and remove. I love that feature, and I love this feature so much that after I received this, I actually went and bought a 1/2-inch drive, 2-row, and roll a clip right here and show you the one I got at work. So I'll roll that clip right now. Alright, so now that you saw that clip, my favorite. This is my favorite product of theirs, and I'm glad that they came out with orange. I love orange. I went out and rushed and bought that 2-row 1/2-inch drive that I just showed you in red because I couldn't find it in orange yet. This is a new color, and it's on their website. Check it out. But I didn't care. I wanted them so bad that I went out and just got the 1/2-inch red. Red is also a great color, so can't go wrong. But what can I say? I mean, a great product, I think. I love the design. I love the quality. I love the customization of it. How if you want, you could hold your ratchets or extensions by removing some rails and having that set up. It's just the best, honestly. And it's orange, so can't go wrong. So as you can see, I have some other orange stuff here, and orange gear wrench right there. This orange screwdriver holder that's, I'm not sure what brand it is, but that was actually given to me by Mr. Cool Cat himself. So check out his channel, Cool Cat's Garage, and check out some of his content as well. But that's about it. I mean, what else can I say about this? I mean, definitely if you're looking to organize your tools, this is the way I think you should do it. Matter of opinion, of course, but I mean, it's clean looking. If you want to grab the whole tray and go, you could. And can't go wrong. So check them out. Ernst Manufacturing, US made company, lifetime warranty on their products, great prices. So check them out. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.